everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. Today we're going to be going to a local garden here in San Francisco called Garden for the Environment. It's a public teaching garden which has been around since 1990. I love to see gardens like this around San Francisco because with a busy city, it's hard to find that escape. And with this garden so close by, I really wanted to go explore it. They have beautiful flowers here along with growing vegetables and fruits. Let's go explore around. As we walk through, I'll let you know a little bit of the details of this garden. In this garden, they follow sustainability and conservation of water. So as we walk through this garden, we'll see many aspects of this, including the compost that they make in-house, along with rainwater harvesting and gray water conservation. Along with being a teaching garden for the public, the garden also donates fresh fruits and vegetables to local shelters. As you can see, they have planted a large variety of vegetables, including this bush bean right here, the kale and carrots that we previously saw, and this Vietnamese coriander. As we continue to walk through, you'll see a lot more fruits and vegetables planted around. I don't know if any of you guys have an interest for gardening, but I've had an interest in this for a very long time. When I used to live back home in Arizona, me and my sister used to plant a lot of vegetables and fruits together. Some of the things that we have grown includes corn, okra, pumpkin, tomatoes, strawberries, mint, and much more. As we walk through this area, we get to smell the beautiful lavender flowers and the jasmine flowers. It's really nice to have this fresh air and this fresh scent around the city. The garden is compartmentalized based on the type of plants that are growing, depending on if they need more shade or more water. There's also a greenhouse area and an urban farm in which they use rainwater harvesting. As we go towards that, I'll tell you a little bit more about that. Let's go explore some of the beautiful flowers that are planted around here and some of the California native plants. As we continue to walk through, you can see the rainwater harvesting bins right there in which they collect runoff water. And as we continue to walk, you can see the compost bins in which they create in-house compost. So they have compartmentalized it into 3 different bins, in which the first bin, they have the initial material and plants which are chopped up. And then the second bin in which they mix it with water and manure. And the third bin in which it's moved in to allow it to cool down to air temperature. Another really cool part of this garden is that they have in-house beehives. These bees pollinate the flowers and help it become fruits and vegetables. Also, they make honey, which they can harvest. Let's continue to walk through the garden and see these beautiful, exotic, and nice flowers. With that, this garden tour comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I really liked walking through this garden, smelling all the fresh air and seeing these beautiful plants and fruits and vegetables. Please comment down below if you have a similar garden in your area. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.